David here, weekly report. Today is Friday, 17th November, 2:56 p.m. in the afternoon. So we're looking at the May contract 2018 and we're live at the present moment, and we've got the yearly chart in front of us. We've identified an area of 60 SMA as possible support, and that's continued to be tested. At the moment we're seeing live trade at 144.50. This is the third month of falling prices. Castic's falling back to midway, losing the strength, but at present we're just below it. We're finding support at the present moment. Let's go down and see what's happening in the monthly. We can see here clearly that this month is another negative month. Last month was a negative month. We're halfway through it, 144.50. Swing high here, if you look to the left, last September was 144, which is adding support at the present moment. Let's pop down into the weekly chart. We can see here that we've got now the third week of falling prices, and this has certainly been where we've tested the low here of 143. This was similar back in here in August of 21st when we tested the 60 SMA. This is the red line on this chart, and it comes in at 144, 44.50 at the moment, so it's bang on at the present moment. We're finding support. The volume has increased. Let's have a look down into the daily, see if it gives us an indication. We can see the last 3 weeks I've drawn this square here, high of 150, low of 142. We're range bound at the moment. We can identify the 60 SMA has been falling, now leveling off. We can see the 10 moving average doing the same, and it's just going, well, it's actually below the 60 at the present moment. We can see that we've tested this low here last time seen back in September at 144, and we are having a little bit of a positive bounce back above it at the moment. Stochastic is indicating heavily oversold, and we can see the increase in volume here. What can we say? I think unfortunately more of the same until we either break the bottom of 42 or the high of 50. I feel as we're stuck in this sideways range of sort of up and down. We can see at the moment we've got a downward slope at the present to this October and November. In August, September we had an upward slope. Let's have a look at live trading at the moment. We'll see what's happening. At the moment you can see we're getting a bit of a bounce. We're trading here at 144. This is a 15-minute chart here. So the last trade was 144.70. We can see the green candle forming here. This is the day's live trading action at the present moment. You can see this red candle here that took us down to a recent low that we haven't seen for the last, say, 4 weeks, and we're getting some buying coming into the market. We can see here on this weekly candle chart here, this is live at the present moment, where the 3 weeks have been falling levels. Quite interesting, this calculates the monthly pivots on this charting package, and we can see here the monthly pivot comes in at 44.28, and we're at the moment 44.80. So we'll come back to find the pivot support at the present moment, and that's where we keep seeing quite happy to find this level of this within this range at the present moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll put an update.